Sentence structure, sentence patterns, subject plus verb. Examples: the bell rang, he wept. Subject plus verb plus object. She likes eggs, I met my brother. Subject plus verb plus adjective. Martin is busy. She was sick. Subject plus verb plus adverb. The truck came here. He ran fast. Subject plus verb plus noun. They are teachers. Marilyn was the class president. Subject plus verb plus adverb patterns. Computers are everywhere. We live here. My friends study hard. The processor works slowly. This store opens early. The printer prints loudly. Erika is typing fast. Everybody came late. The price has increased dramatically. We have met occasionally.